Hello everyone, let's dive into the Akko MOD007B, a gaming keyboard that's making waves with its rapid trigger technology and magnetic switches. This keyboard aims to deliver a competitive edge, and after spending some time with it, it certainly has a lot to offer. The MOD007B boasts Akko's creamy yellow magnetic switches. These Hall-effect switches are the heart of the rapid trigger functionality. Unlike traditional mechanical switches, Hall-effect switches use magnets to detect key presses, allowing for adjustable actuation points and, most importantly, rapid trigger. This means the keys can register repeated presses much faster, which would be a game-changer in fast-paced games. The keyboard offers tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and USB-C. This versatility is excellent for switching between devices or choosing the connection method that best suits your needs. The 2.4G wireless mode is particularly useful for gaming, providing a low-latency connection that rivals wired performance. The MOD007B features an 8K polling rate, ensuring that every key press is registered with minimal delay. This is especially important for competitive gamers who need every millisecond advantage they can get. The keyboard design is also noteworthy. The MOD007B has a premium feel, and the included knob adds a touch of functionality, allowing for easy volume control or other customizable actions. The RGB backlighting is vibrant and customizable, allowing you to personalize the keyboard's appearance to match your setup. The hot-swappable design is a welcome feature, allowing you to easily change the switches without soldering. This is great for experimenting with different switch types or replacing faulty switches. The Akko MOD007B is compatible with laptops, making it a great choice for gamers on the go. Whether you're at home or traveling, you can enjoy the benefits of rapid trigger technology and a high-performance gaming keyboard. In conclusion, the Akko MOD007B is a solid choice for gamers looking for a competitive edge. The rapid trigger technology, magnetic switches, and high polling rate make it a top contender in the gaming keyboard market. The tri-mode connectivity, customizable RGB lighting, and hot-swappable design add to its appeal, making it a versatile and feature-rich keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.